All right, guys, we're doing break number 1 of Hit Parade, the Rookies Prizm Football. This is going to be Series 2. So the headliner in this is going to be a 2017 Prizm Disco Patrick Mahomes PSA 9. There's a ton of other big names in here as well. So you get one graded Prizm rookie card in each box. So this is going to be a random division. Every spot gives you one division. Chris P's got one spot in this. John M.U. has got 2 spots. Barry with 2 spots. Thomas has got 1. Brian S. with 1. And then John M.C., you've got the last spot in this. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize the divisions. Now, I don't know if you guys saw the Lamar Jackson. My son and I were looking this up today. Lamar Jackson PSA 10, just the base Prizm rookie, is like $1,500. Not even the silver. It's freaking insane. People have lost their crap over some of these card prices. And some people have sold their crap. All right, let's go ahead and randomize the names 5 times, match them up. Case, you saying you've got a game used bat? Is that what you're saying? A Trout autographed game used bat? That's incredible. All right, here we go. So, Barry, you've got the AFC East and the AFC South. Brian S. has got the NFC East. Chris P. with the NFC North. John M.C., you've got the NFC South. John M.U., you've got the NFC West, and then the AFC West, if we can pull that Mahomes. And then, Thomas, you've got the AFC North. Yeah, so everything is full now except I've got a couple of random teams in our eBay stuff, so I'll let you know who that is here in just a second. I think I got the Dolphins in the Gold Rush football jersey. All right. Not bad. Got 2017 Prizm, so we got the right year. Unfortunately, it's not a Mahomes, it's a Joe Mixon. It's the light blue Prizm. It is a PSA 10. Number to 199. So that one is going to be the AFC North, which will be Thomas. So Thomas, that is you, buddy. So not a bad hit. We will get that card in the mail tomorrow. And I've got one more box of this that if you guys want to do it tonight, we can if we can fill it up. Otherwise, we'll wait until a week from tomorrow night.